Okay, this is for an origami dog. Here's a finished one for the tail. I found the directions for this on the origami-club.com. I'm going to make a friend for this one. This will be the color side, and this will be the inside. So the color side's facing up, or outside facing up. Fold in half, matching the points. Open up and do the fold again the other way. So you'll have a cross fold in the center. Open up, pick two corners and take the point and you're going to bring it to the center, same with this point, to the center. Now these 2 points in the center you're going to bring out. This edge will match up with this edge. Same with the other side. This edge will match up with that edge. Now what I'd like you to do is take this point and have this edge match up with this edge, or fold. And you can open that up. Same with this side, this edge with that edge. And open it up. Now this crease that you just made will help you to find where to put this point. So this point will come to this edge where the fold you just made ends. There, and then you have a pretty equal lateral triangle. Same with this side. This crease you just made, where it ends on this line, on this fold here, is where you're going to bring this point to. Okay, now this is kind of the tricky part. These are the ears of the dog. You're going to fold it here, right on this edge, this piece. And as you're doing that, this is going to come up, unfold, and line up with this edge back here. So that's the goal. And the fold will be right, another fold of the triangle will be right here. So fold down. See, I'm folding it practically in half. And then this edge will line up with the here. Oops. Go so well. Here we go. And there you go. Do it the same for this side. So this edge will be the fold line for this paper. You're going to fold down the center here, and this line will match up with this line. And this will be unfolded, and this will also match up with this edge here. Fold. Match these up. Okay. All right. Flip the papers over, and you want this edge or fold to go to the center. Same with this edge to the center. It's a lot of symmetry in this one. And then you'll have these two triangles at the end that you want to bring up so that it lines up with the back end. Then what I want you to do is take this edge, will line up with the center. Same with this side. Now tuck these pieces into this flap here. Now this front part here is the snout of the dog, and these are the ears. So fold this over. If you want a long snout, make it long. If you want a short snout, make it a little shorter. Fold a little more of the point. Just make sure it's straight across. And then fold this in half. Oops. Okay. So working with the flap on this side, this bottom is the base. I always look at this, it's upside down for you, I always look at this as if the dog is howling. The ears, the snout, and down here would be the legs. So if you put it like this, it should help you to come up with the next fold, which is a little tricky because you don't really see it. It's actually perpendicular to this line, but it's hard to see it. But think of it this way, when you're folding it, this point and this point are the end point of the fold. So with keeping that in mind, fold with this, with the flap there, make a fold. And you'll see that it is perpendicular. Okay, now as you open this up, you just need to open up one, and you'll see the head coming down. And you'll see two ears in the back there. And fold it. This second half, you have one here. Keep this held and fold it back. Fixing the ears a little bit. And that's the head. And you want to make the tail now. And this one, you probably made this fold before. As far up you want your tail, bring it straight up so there's a line. This line here is going straight up and down. Open it up, see, open it up, and those lines will be your guides for pushing this point in and this sticking straight up. So there's your tail. It's got a little small stubby tail. There's your dog. My daughter likes it when I bend the top so that he has kind of floppy ears. Oops. And you can put little eyes, color in the snout. There you go.